Natural selection favors those organisms with the greatest reproductive success, which are best able to pass their genes on to the next generation. Some of the factors which affect an organism's reproductive success do not involve other living things and are therefore referred to as abiotic factors. So, for example, the climate in an area, which would include diverse aspects such as, the global temperature, the minimum temperature, the maximum temperature, the amount of precipitation which occurs in an area, whether the precipitation occurs sporadically, creating, say, dry spells and flood times. These affect the organisms as they try to survive and have offspring in an environment. Wind speed, humidity, these all impact organisms. Many organisms are dependent on the amount of sunlight, especially if they're performing photosynthesis. This could be varying by the amount of sunlight hitting a forest floor or reaching a certain depth in the ocean. The soil's characteristics are very often critical factors. Soils can vary in their depth, the nutrients which are present, the amount of moisture in the soil. In aquatic environments, the salinity of the water can influence an organism's success. There can be currents in the water, which are factors. The depth of the water, the amount of oxygen in the water, the pH, the acidity level of the water or soil. These can influence an organism's success. There can be pollutants and toxins in the environment. The frequency of wildfires may affect an organism's success. And so all of these will affect which organisms are successful in passing their genes on to the next generation. But because all of these factors, from climate to water depth and oxygen concentration, because they don't involve other living things, these are referred to as abiotic factors.